We've got 40 degrees for right now. And as we go through Wednesday, take a look at the timeline of how the snow piles up. As much as 3 to 4 inches for the first half of Wednesday once the sun is up until about 3 p.m. Add on to that pretty quickly with moderate to heavy snowfall, 4 to 5 inches on top of that for a grand total of 9 inches by the end of Groundhog Day, smashing the old record for that single holiday of 4.2 inches. Add on to that 1 to 2 inches as we go for the first half of Thursday, then the second half of Thursday, about another inch or so. That's a little bit lower than what we talked about at 6, but you're still talking about grand totals of around 11 inches to 12 inches. So here's a look at that transition as it happens on the computer models here. Notice the snow becomes lighter during the day on Thursday, and it's out of here by 11 p.m. Thursday night, even a little bit earlier in some parts of the area. That may cut down on snow totals, but not by much. Instead of maybe 12 inches here in the city, more like 11 or 11.5 inches. So not much of a difference, still at a historical amount as well. Generally here in your 4-zone weather, between 9 and 11 inches here in Detroit, southern Oakland County, southern Macomb County, from Warren to Southfield, here in the city of Detroit, and just downriver in places like Ecorse. South of I-94, closer to the heart of the system that moves overhead. Slightly more snow, between 11 and 13 inches over the next couple of days. West of 275, also around 11 to 12 inches. From Novi, about 10.5 inches, 11 inches or more in parts of Livingston County. Although it might be lower amounts in our north zone, it is still a healthy amount and still treacherous conditions on roadways. So you're still talking about 8 to 10 inches or slightly more north of M59. So for tonight, it's above freezing for now, but we get down to the freezing mark by morning as rain changes over to snow between 4 and 7 in the morning. After 7, 8 o'clock, it is snowy all day on Wednesday with low 30s in the morning, 20s in the afternoon, heavy and moderate snow that continues to fall. Lighter snow and it becomes more scattered after Groundhog Day on your Thursday. Then, with blowing and drifting snow on Thursday, it still remains treacherous because of lower visibility and the messiness that continues. It's hard to clear up. Then much colder, sunnier, but much colder, teens and 20s during the day, single digits near 0 through the first half of the weekend.
All right, Andrew, and ahead of the storm, you'll want to download the Local Forecasters app, open your camera on your phone, and you can snap this QR code. It'll take you right to the page to find it. If not, you can also just head to your app store and search WDIV.